Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a tutorial of this look. This is a recreation of this look. I already posted this one on Instagram because I did it like a week or two ago. And yeah, I asked you guys on a poll if you wanted me to do a tutorial of how to do this, and it was an overwhelming yes from the last time that I looked at it. But yeah, today I'm going to be using the Midas Cosmetics Love is Love palette. It just looks like this. This is their palette that they came out with for Pride Month, and I absolutely love it. It is limited edition. I'm 98% sure that it's still available right now while I'm filming this. So yeah, if it is, I'll link it down below. If it's not, I'm very, very sorry. You can do this exact same look with the same colors because it's just yellow, orange, and a red. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. To start off, I'm just taking the Pixie Glow Tonic and toning my face really quickly before I begin putting on makeup, and then I'm going in with the Gold Fade moisturizer as well as my Barbie Badescu moisturizer and blending those into my face to prep. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and putting it on my eyes to prep as a base for my eyeshadow, and then I am blending it in with a concealer brush from BH Cosmetics. Now I'm going to be taking the Midas Cosmetics Love is Love palette and taking the shade Best Life, which is a yellow shade, and I'm going to be stamping that on my inner corner and then blending it a bit, if that makes sense. Now I'm taking the orange shade called Brave and just doing the exact same thing. I'm kind of swiping it in the clip because that is how I built up the color, so it was very, very pigmented whenever I was finished. And now I'm taking the red shade called Acceptance on the outer corner, and I'm just doing the same stamping motion and then blending it out just a smidge. I'm very quickly going to go do my brows off camera with the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and then I am taking the Becca First Light Priming Filter and priming my face for foundation. For foundation, I'm just using the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, because it is very luminous, and I'm just dotting that on my face really quickly. And then I will be taking my Real Techniques Oval Foundation Brush and blending that in. Next, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm just putting that under my eyes, down my nose, and also on my chin, and then I will just blend that out with the foundation brush as well. And once I get to my eyes, like on my bottom lid, I will just tap it out with my fingers. And now I'm also going in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Before somebody starts giving me crap about it not being cruelty-free, I bought this when I wasn't cruelty-free, and I'm trying to use it up, and that's the only pressed powder that I currently have, so I'm just setting my under eyes with that really quick. Now I'm going to be taking the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, but I'm going to be using it as a bronzer rather than a highlighter because it's too dark for my skin, but it does add a lot of luminosity. I did get this tip from Amy Loves Makeup here on YouTube, so go check out her channel. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and bronzing on top of the Pure Nude highlighter. And now I am taking the Too Faced Cosmetics Chocolate Soleil Bronzer and bronzing on top of everything else we just did. I wore a lot of bronzer for this look, so sorry if it seems like a lot. And next I'm taking the ColourPop blush stick, and I'm just going to be putting that on my face and blending it out, and then also using the Milani blush and Luminoso. Now I'm taking a blending brush and the Too Faced bronzer, and I'm just going to lightly bronze / like contour my nose just to give it a little bit more definition. Now I'm setting my brows down with the e.l.f. clear brow gel because I didn't do that earlier. Now I'm taking the ColourPop highlight stick And I'm just going to be putting this on my cheekbones and also on my nose. I also used a lot of highlighter in this look, so just be prepared. And now I am taking another ColourPop highlighter, and this is the shade On the Cusp, and I'm just going to be putting that right on top of the other one. And now we are using the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive and just putting that on top of everything else. And now I am putting on the Ultra Glossy Lip by ColourPop in the shade Boo. This is from their Disney Designer Collection. Next I'm putting on the Kiss 3D lashes in Teddy, and I did those off camera, so that's why there's not a clip of them recording. But then I went in with the shade Acceptance and just put that on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to put on mascara to blend my lashes as well as put it on my bottom lashes. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want me to do more tutorials, just like comment below. Follow me on Instagram because I post all of my makeup looks on Instagram, and just, you know, comment, hey, we want to see how you do this look on one of my posts, or I may decide that I kind of want to do a tutorial on a post and I'll ask you guys in a poll, but I will link my Instagram and my Twitter down below. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day today, and I will see you later. Bye!